I guess it goes really fast. Hold my hand. Getting ready to go on.
Grab all your stuff and enjoy all the holidays.
I'm ready.
You ready? Amelia, are you ready?
Yeah, let's get a green one.
You're going to get the gray
Who's
one?
ready to jingle? Come on in and grab yourself a drink. Better be nice. Oh, Santa's Happy holidays, everybody.
Okay, all right, we got this one.
The road's out there.
All right.
So listen good.
It's
For your
29.
Okay, we got to strap ourselves in.
Carry fast.
Here, right here. Can you reach it?
Feet and legs inside your trailer.
Alice is helping. Well, I aim the camera up at the sky. Yep. Whoop.
Hola, a dodo. Por favor. Para su seguridad.
Okay, Alice, are you ready? Put your hands up. Yay! Because we're going to be going fast. I got to put my hat down tight so it doesn't fall off. Alright, where's Amelia? What? They're behind us? No way. Well, maybe we'll see them when we turn around. Whoa. Okay.
Yeah, we're gonna spin around.
We're gonna spin around. We're gonna spin around. Yay.
Yeah, we're gonna go crazy.
We're gonna spin, spin, spin. Like we're in a wash machine. We're gonna spin, spin, spin. Here we go. I'm holding. Are you holding? Whoa, this is fast. We're going all over. Whoa. You having fun? Alice, you having fun? Yeah, whoa. We're going all over the place. Whoa. Whoa. Hold on. I almost slid right on top of you. I don't see Amelia. Where'd she go? Oh, there they are. Right there. Oh, yay. Oh, they're behind us again. All right.
Well, I tell you what, I ain't rocked that hard since the rear wheels got stuck in a mud pit.
All right, let's go. We had fun.
Happy holiday.
Alice, wait.
Where's the exit? Okay, it's over here. Let's find the exit.
Season speedies, everybody. With me, man. For your
There we
safety,
go.
now, please remain seated with your
Did you like that one, Amelia?
And keep your
That was
hands
so
on
cool.
feet and legs inside your trailer. Keep an eye on your lip.
Okay, Alice, come here.
Say goodbye.
What do you say?
Bye. Bye. Have a fun day with the was dream ever. We said, see the other one. So we did on the night one.
Yay!